Hey sewing enthusiasts! Welcome back to Best Tech, where we bring you the best tips, tools, and tech for all your crafting needs. Today, we're showcasing the top 5 sewing machines for 2024, whether you're a beginner looking to start your sewing journey or a pro in search of the latest and greatest machine. From advanced features to user-friendly designs, these machines have everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on all things sewing. Let's get started. Number 5. The Juki TL2010Q High-Speed Sewing Quilting Machine is a premium choice for both avid quilters and sewing enthusiasts who seek top-tier performance and reliability. Renowned for its exceptional speed and precision, this machine is engineered to handle a variety of sewing tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the Juki TL2010Q is its impressive high-speed capability, reaching up to 1,500 stitches per minute. This allows for rapid completion of projects, making it an ideal choice for those who tackle large quilting jobs or high-volume sewing. Despite its speed, the machine maintains excellent stitch quality, ensuring that every seam is finished with precision. The Juki TL2010Q is equipped with a robust industrial-style frame, providing a solid foundation that minimizes vibration and enhances stability. This sturdy construction contributes to smoother operation and reduces the risk of skipped stitches, even when working with heavier fabrics. The large, spacious work area is particularly advantageous for quilting, offering ample room to maneuver large projects with ease. Another notable feature is the machine's advanced quilting capabilities. It comes with a variety of included quilting feet, such as a walking foot and a free-motion quilting foot, which enhance the versatility of the machine and make quilting tasks more manageable. The adjustable presser foot pressure and variable stitch length provide additional control, allowing for precise adjustments based on fabric type and project requirements. The Juki TL2010Q also includes an automatic needle threader and a large extension table, which is perfect for accommodating larger projects. The built-in thread trimmer adds convenience, enabling quick and easy cutting of threads without needing additional tools. For added value, the Juki TL2010Q comes with a free bonus pack, which typically includes essential accessories and quilting supplies that enhance the machine's functionality and versatility. Number 4. The Bernette 38 Swiss Design Computerized Sewing Machine is a sophisticated and versatile tool designed for sewers who demand precision and functionality. Combining Swiss engineering with modern technology, this machine offers a range of features that cater to both novice and experienced sewers. One of the key highlights of the Bernette 38 is its computerized interface, which simplifies the sewing process with an intuitive LCD display. The screen allows for easy navigation through the machine's settings and stitch options, making it straightforward to select and customize stitches. With 50 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting stitches, the Bernette 38 provides ample variety to accommodate diverse sewing projects. The machine features a robust metal frame, which enhances stability and ensures smooth, consistent stitching. This sturdy construction minimizes vibrations and reduces the risk of skipped stitches, contributing to professional quality results. Additionally, the Bernette 38 includes an automatic needle threader and a top-loading bobbin system, streamlining setup and allowing for quick starts on your projects. For those interested in quilting, the Bernette 38 offers a range of features designed to make the process easier. The machine comes with a free arm capability, which is ideal for maneuvering around cuffs, sleeves, and other small areas. The adjustable presser foot pressure and variable stitch length further enhance control over your sewing, allowing you to achieve precise results. Included with the Bernette 38 are several accessory feet, such as a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, and overlock foot, providing added versatility for different sewing techniques. The machine's robust motor ensures powerful performance, capable of handling a variety of fabrics from lightweight materials to heavier textiles. Number 3. The Janome Heavy Duty HD 3000 Black Edition Sewing Machine is a powerful and reliable tool designed to tackle a wide range of sewing tasks, from everyday repairs to complex quilting projects. Known for its durability and robust performance, this machine is ideal for both beginners and seasoned sewers who require a dependable sewing solution. One of the standout features of the HD 3000 is its heavy-duty metal frame, which provides exceptional stability and reduces vibrations during operation. This sturdy construction ensures smooth and precise stitching, even when handling tough fabrics like denim or multiple layers of material. The HD 3000 comes equipped with 18 built-in stitches, including essential utility, decorative, and stretch stitches. These options offer versatility for various sewing projects, allowing you to create everything from simple alterations to intricate designs. The machine also features a 4-step buttonhole function, making it easy to add professional-looking buttonholes to your garments. The LCD screen on the HD 3000 provides clear, user-friendly access to stitch settings and functions. This intuitive interface allows you to select and customize stitches with ease, enhancing your sewing experience. The machine's automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system further streamlines setup, reducing preparation time and minimizing hassle. Included with the HD 3000 is a bonus 6-piece quilting kit, which adds even more functionality to this already versatile machine. Number 2. The Singer 9960 Sewing Quilting Machine is a premium choice for those who want both functionality and versatility in their sewing projects. With an extensive library of 1,172 stitch applications, this machine offers an impressive range of options for creative and precise sewing, making it suitable for a variety of tasks from simple repairs to intricate quilting. A standout feature of the Singer 9960 is its advanced electronic autopilot mode. This function simplifies the sewing process by automatically adjusting settings like stitch length and width based on the selected stitch, allowing you to focus more on your creativity and less on manual adjustments. The machine's LCD screen provides clear and easy navigation through its settings, ensuring you can effortlessly select and modify stitch patterns. The Singer 9960 also includes an extension table, which is ideal for handling large projects such as quilts or oversized garments. This added workspace enhances control and stability, making it easier to manage and maneuver fabric. Additionally, the machine comes with an array of accessory feet, including a walking foot and quilting foot, which expand its capabilities for various sewing techniques. Durability is a key feature of the Singer 9960, with a robust construction that minimizes vibrations and ensures smooth operation. The machine's automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin contribute to its user-friendly design, streamlining setup and reducing preparation time. Adjustable speed control offers flexibility, allowing you to sew at a pace that suits your comfort and project requirements. The machine's ability to handle free-motion quilting with its drop feed feature provides the freedom to create detailed and personalized designs. Number 1. The Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine is a versatile and user-friendly machine designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced sewers. This model comes equipped with 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, and utility stitches, providing a wide range of options for various sewing and quilting projects. One of the key features of the CS7000X is its LCD display, which makes it easy to select and customize your stitches. The intuitive interface allows you to adjust stitch length and width, choose from different stitch patterns, and even set up the machine for specific sewing tasks with just a few button presses. This computerized system streamlines the sewing process, making it easier to achieve precise results. The machine includes a wide table, which is especially beneficial for larger projects like quilts or garments. This extra workspace provides ample room to maneuver fabric, ensuring better control and accuracy while sewing. Additionally, the machine comes with 10 included feet, such as a walking foot, quilting foot, and buttonhole foot, offering versatility for different types of sewing techniques. Built with durability in mind, the Brother CS7000X features a sturdy metal frame that ensures stability and reduces vibration, leading to smoother operation. The machine is also designed with an improved needle threading system, making it easier to thread the needle and get started on your projects quickly. For added convenience, the machine has an automatic needle threader, a drop-in top bobbin, and adjustable speed control, which allows you to sew at your own pace. The drop feed mechanism is ideal for free motion quilting, giving you the freedom to create intricate designs with ease.